In this quick video, I will show you how to easily close a trade on Bitget. If you want to create an account and get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitget, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of sign-up bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade. You can receive all of these nice bonuses. Before starting out, I also wanted to quickly mention that you can try out the entire platform up here with the so-called demo trading feature. So before using your real money, I highly recommend you to check out that first. When you're signing up with the link from the description, you will also automatically get demo funds that you can use to try out the platform. As you can see, I'm currently in a long position, and to now close the position, we have multiple options. Firstly, we can just go here to the right and click on close and then type in how much we want to close. So as you can see, my position is currently 0.008 BTC. So I can say I want to close 0.001 BTC, click on close long and confirm it. And you will see it's now down to 0.007. You can also switch that up right here and choose USDT. That's also possible. If you want to type in the dollar numbers, you will see them right here too. If you want to close the entire position, you can also use the slide controller. And if you put it to 100%, you will close the entire position. The other option is to go down here and also make it in here. So you can also type in the quantity, as you can see, how much you want to close, and then just click on close. Or also one option is to just use flash close, which means closing the entire position at just one click. Just click on here, confirm it, and then I'm out of the entire position at one click. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $8,000 of bonuses. Once you clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You can enter your details and start right away. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.